What is going on YouTube, it's Sankey and we are back with another one. So in this drop I'm coming at you guys with a couple of swing trade plays, but before I get the show on the road, if you'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button, and if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Also check out link down below to the Patreon, join our winning team over at the Discord. So in this video I'm coming at you guys with a couple of swing trade ideas. There's different ways we crush these markets. We have our investment plays, we have our option plays, we also have our swing trades as well. These swing trades allow you guys to get your hands on liquid cash quicker. You can go and fund your lifestyles, because with our investment plays, you're going to have to wait, whether it's that 2 months, 6 months, 12 months or longer, for that investment to harvest and materialize. So our swing trades, they're there to have a bit of fun in the markets, get your hands on some fast money. You guys know I'm giving you that 360 coverage when it comes to the strategy. So I'm giving you the entry prices, I'm giving you the stop limits to set as well, and also the exit prices where you take profit from the play. Now, when you guys know, because of the volatility in these swing trades, they do pack the heat. So as long as you guys are comfortable with that, we are ready to rock. So let's get into the first one. So the first play I've got for you, that's Silvergate Capital, ticker symbol SI, currently standing at $132. If you guys remember last week, I said this is one of the plays you want to keep your eye on when it comes to swing trading. I'm expecting them to dip. They did exactly that. Now they're sitting in our swing zone, so I'm going to put them back on your radar. This is one of those plays, you don't want to overlook them, very underestimated. This is one of those early movers in the crypto arena, but on the financial side of things. Their clients include Coinbase, Binance, so a whole heap of clients on the platform, and they've been growing them rapidly over the last couple of years, and I expect them to take that momentum with them forward because of that early mover status. They got the technology, they got the know-how, they've got the driven management to take this one to success. Now, because this is one of those richly valued companies that I tell you guys about, and they got that link to crypto, they're very volatile, ideal for swing trades. So they've dipped down, currently standing at 132. As I say, they're in the swing zone right now, and we're looking to take this one up to $160. Cash out of this one before their inevitable next dip. Also, if you're jumping into this one, I'm going to need you guys to set your stop limit on this one at 120. It's super important that you guys set your stop limit on these swing trades in case there's any extra downwards volatility. You can cash you out early, you can move to the next winning play. This is the first play I want to put on your radar when it comes to swing trading ahead of next week. The next play I've got for you, that's Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK, currently standing $36. Now, I'll give you guys investment plays, I'll give you swing trade plays. Sometimes there's an overlap between the two. This play right here, that's purely a swing trade play. Not even going to consider this one for a long-term investment. They've got a lot to prove with their business. They've got to grow into that high valuation that they're currently sitting on at the moment. Now, this is a good swing trade play because of the way they move. So I'm going to put them on your radar. They've taken a dip over the week, as you can see, open up a good entry on this one, and this one can climb in good market conditions. So as long as we have good market conditions next week, I expect this one to continue their climb up to that $40 mark, and that's our exit price. $41. We cash out of this play. Also going to need you guys to set your stop limits on this one at $35. Any downwards volatility, we move to the next winning play. Talking about next winning plays, let's jump on to the next one. So we've got Vuzix, ticker symbol VUZI, currently standing $22. This is a smart glasses manufacturer. We know this one can be a volatile play. As you guys have seen, this one's come down over 20% on the week. That's opened up a good entry point to use this one as a swing trade. We know this stock price can move off the back of good news, and we know they pump out PR on a consistent basis. So I'm expecting an order announcement soon to move this stock price. That's why I'm putting them back on your radar. So looking to get into them where they're at right now in the swing zone at $22. Looking to take this one up to that $26 mark. Cash out at that point. Also going to need you guys to set your stop limit on this one at $20. As I say, this is one of those volatile plays that can move very easily off the back of good news. Now, with all these swing trade plays, what you guys got to ensure is that the market condition is good. So if we go for another week like we've been this week, where it's volatile, it's choppy, you guys want to hold off from these swing trade plays. You want to be entering them, as I say, in good positive markets where, it's good green days, that stock price is going to move. That's super important. That's an added layer of strategy when it comes to knocking out the park with these swing trade plays. If you're rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. This question comes from Philip, says, Looking ahead 6 months or 12 months, what do you see the biggest likelihood of happening? The growth stocks gaining all they lost in the correction, or value stocks keep breaking new highs, such as Microsoft, Adobe, PayPal, etc. So this is a good question, so let's dive into it. Now, you probably have some dry powder on the side and you're wondering whether you should invest into the value plays or the growth plays to see which one generates the highest returns. So let's kick things off with the growth plays. What you guys must know is all of these plays will climb at different rates. As I say, these plays run their own races. And what you guys must know is some of these growth plays will not reach their all-time highs that they reached over the last couple of months over the next few months. Take a Hyliion, for example. Hyliion is not going to reach its all-time high in the next 6 months or even the next 12 months. However, take one of our quality channel plays like a DraftKings, like a Clean Energy Fuels that I put you guys on. Those are the kind of plays they're going to reach their all-time highs over the next couple of months, because it's all about the fundamentals, guys. These are the kind of plays, they have the revenues there, they have the growth rates ahead of them to hit those valuations. So those are the kind of plays that will climb to their all-time highs. Now, those are quality channel plays. Now, if we switch in gears, flip over to the value plays, these plays, they're getting a lot of the attention now. This is because, we've seen some panic in the market off what was rising bond yields, causing investors to pull money out of the market. They're now putting money back into the market. They're choosing these safe haven plays, as I like to call them. Those are the value plays, like you mentioned, the Microsoft, the Adobes, the PayPals, etc. These are the kind of plays that are getting the limelight right now. Similar to how the growth plays were getting the limelight a couple of months ago. Now, because of this increased attention on the value plays, what you guys must know is the valuations are increasing. They're ballooning right now. What tends to happen when that happens is there's often a pullback, right? So I'm expecting a pullback in these value plays after the summer months. So that means that what's going to generate the highest returns is going to be the growth plays, the quality growth plays that I put you guys on. I've named a couple already. These are the kind of plays that are going to rebound strong over the next couple of months, and there is not going to be a pullback in those plays. The pullback has already happened. The pullback is going to happen to the value plays. However, if you're sitting on value plays, those are still quality plays, and the strategy there is to keep invested through any volatility. When they pull back, continue to keep investing in those plays. That's how you're going to maximize your returns, and ultimately, that is how you build wealth in these markets. So that wraps things up. If you'd like to help out the channel, do hit the like button, and if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Now, ahead of Monday morning's opening bell in the stock market, one last thing to say. Let's go!